Hey, what is going on, guys? So today I have a review for you for a wireless Bluetooth headphone with noise cancellation. Now this one here is by Cool. Right now it's selling for about $76. Now you can play music continuously up to 14 hours. Charging time from 0 to 100% takes about 2.5 hours. And the max distance from your device to your headphones is about 10 meters, which is just under 33 feet. Now regarding the noise cancellation, it's a one button right here. And what this does, it'll block out some background noise. Like for instance, if you're like in a busy office and there's a lot of commotion, if you go ahead and pop on the noise cancellation, it will diminish all the background noise. Same thing if you're like on a plane and you hear like that jet engine and you want to quiet down that jet engine so you can focus more on your music or your movie, you go ahead and pop on the noise cancellation switch up here. Now I have tested the noise cancellation several times. For instance, my maid was downstairs while I was up here listening to music or watching a YouTube video, and she put the vacuum cleaner on and I can hear the vacuum cleaner running in the background, but once I go ahead and switch on this noise cancellation button, it does dim out that vacuum noise. So let me go ahead and bring you up a little bit closer. I'll show you the details, and also what I want to do is I want to put some songs on and I want to put it on the max volume just to give you an idea what it sounds like. And I can tell you these are actually quite comfortable. I can have this on numerous hours at a time, no problems. Oh, it also has an auxiliary cable here too, so if you run out of battery or anything like that, you can always just pop in the auxiliary cable, plug it to your phone or different device, then you don't need the battery power in here. The sound is crisp and clear. People can hear me fine if I'm on the phone as well. I can hear them clearly. And the bass is decent as well. So why don't we go ahead and do this? Let me bring it over here and let's get down to more of the details. So the first thing I want to show you is the box here and what it comes with. Here's the front of the box. On the back of the box, you can go ahead and put this on pause if you wish. And what came included was obviously you get the pair of headphones here. You get a instruction manual here. And you also get a case here, and it does come with a USB charging cable here as well as your auxiliary cable here. So looking at these headphones a little bit closer here, you can see that we do have nice padding here. It is quite stretchable, quite flexible, as you can see here. You also have these labeled, so your right ear is here, your left ear is here. You have nice cushion here for your actual ears, as you can see here. And in regards to the wiggle room, you can see you get like a little bit of swivel here, and you can kind of go a little bit up and down like this. You can move it around like that. And if you want to move it up or down, you can slide it up like that, or you can just go ahead and bring it all the way back. Same thing with the other side here, so you can see here. And going over some of the buttons here, you can see you have the multifunction button here. You have an LED light here. You have a volume up here, volume down here. With the multifunction button here, you can answer a call, reject a call, end the call, transfer the call to the earphone. And you have the volume rockers here. The volume up rocker, obviously that can increase the volume, but you also use this button to skip to the next track. And the volume down rocker here can also go back to the previous track. If you wanted to play or pause, you simply press the multifunction button here. Also, if you want to resume, press the multifunction again. Under here, we have the micro USB charging port. We have a mic here, and we have the auxiliary jack here. Don't forget, if you guys run out of battery or anything, you can always just use the auxiliary cables here, and you won't need any battery juice for that. You also have additional mics here, like on the side. These are the ANC mics for active noise cancellation. And we have another button right here. This is the noise cancellation button. You can turn it on or you can turn it off. Now let's go ahead and listen to some music with this. I'll put it up to this mic right here. I'll put some music on max volume. I have it already connected to the Bluetooth. It is under Cool-D8-158. So I have some royalty-free music on my YouTube channel. So we're going to go ahead and listen to that so I don't get a strike, okay? You can see the video down here. And let me go ahead and increase the volume. And of course you can see as I'm pressing the volume up, the volume is increasing as well on the phone here. And let me grab my mic here and let me go ahead and put this right into here. And now let me go ahead and jack up the volume again. Okay, so it's on max volume right now. Let me go ahead and leave this in here. Well, there you guys go. I hope that gave you kind of a little bit of an idea how it sounds. Let me go ahead and put this on pause. I just press on the multifunction button there. Pause the video as you can see right there. So there you guys go. Nice, flexible, good sound, decent bass. Noise cancellation is pretty decent as well on here. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.